Hi everyone, 皆さんこんにちは. This is Anna. Welcome and welcome back to Circular Space. So today, I'd like to introduce a very special seasonal sake. As a hint, it features a very cute cat on the label and it is a namagenshu, meaning it is unpasteurized, undiluted, and offers a sake that's lively and fresh. So, if you love cats and are interested in Japanese sake, keep watching. Here we go. So, since it's winter in Australia, I thought it would be a perfect time to introduce a Japanese sake with a winter theme label. It is this one. Have a look. It is Hagino tsuru betsujikomi kotatsuneko namagenshu, made by Hagino Sake Brewery in Miyagi Prefecture. How cute is the label? Can you guys see it? So this brewery is well known for these cat series. As you can see, this is a cat. And they have spring, summer, autumn, and winter ones. And this one is the winter one. And I've tried both spring one and the summer one before. And they were very delicious and I loved them. So when I found the winter one in Australia, I was super excited. I've never tried it, so I'm super excited to try it shortly. And yeah, you can see that there's a cat in a kotatsu. So kotatsu is a Japanese heated table with a blanket. So families gather around kotatsu to stay warm in the cold winter in Japan. And even my grandparents had a kotatsu in Niigata. And I used to love visiting them and getting under the kotatsu and just staying warm and cozy. I loved it. And it is one of the most iconic symbols of winter in Japan as well. And neko means cat in Japanese. So kotatsu, neko, is literally cat in a kotatsu. How cute! So, as I said, it's my first time trying this, so I'm super excited. So should we cheers? Okay. Are you guys ready? Cheers! Yeah. It is so delicious. The aroma, it's like apples, I think. Yeah, and it's sweet but not too sweet, and it has fizz as well. I think it's interesting because it's a Japanese sake with a winter theme label, but it's still fresh. I think the fizz makes it really fresh. And I've heard that when you first open it, so like right now, it's fizzy and fresh, but then once the fizziness fades, it becomes more round in flavor. So I'm super excited to try it later or even tomorrow when the fizz has faded away to see how different the flavor is. It is delicious, and this bottle I purchased on Tokyo Mart website. So on Tokyo Mart, they have monthly specials each month, and this one I got it in the June monthly special and it was $30. Considering in Japan it is around $20, I think it is such a great price, and considering how delicious it is a good price too. So I put the link in the description. So if you're interested, check it out. I'm not sure if they still have this bottle, but they have a great collection and they have monthly special each month, as I mentioned. have different Japanese sake on sale. So yeah, if you're interested, worth checking it out. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe and stay tuned for my future episodes. So I'll see you guys next time.